Hey everyone, welcome to today's session. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic that can truly change your life: how to radically transform your health by embracing a whole plant-based diet. I know that can sound a little intimidating, but stick with me here. I'm going to break this down in a way that's easy, relatable, and full of simple, practical steps that you can actually use.
Ready? Let's do this!
So why whole plant-based foods? Let's start with the basics. A whole plant-based diet means eating mostly plants that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The goal is to cut out processed foods, greasy meats, and refined sugars, which are often packed with harmful additives and unhealthy fats. So why should you consider this? Science has shown that a plant-based diet can help you lose weight, lower cholesterol, improve heart health, boost energy, and even reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. And here's the best part: this transformation doesn't require expensive superfoods or extreme diets. You can do this with affordable ingredients you can find at any grocery store. It's about progress, not perfection, adding more good stuff into your diet and gradually reducing the not-so-good stuff. Start small, simple changes for big results. If you're new to this idea, I'm not suggesting that you empty your kitchen cabinets overnight and replace everything with kale. Instead, start small. Here are a few simple changes you can make right away. Swap breakfast. Instead of sugary cereal, try oatmeal with fresh fruit. Oats are full of fiber and keep you full for longer, while fruits like berries are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. This is a simple way to kickstart your day with real nutrients that will give you energy and focus. Meatless Monday. Commit to eating plant-based for just one day a week. Try things like a chickpea salad or a veggie stir-fry. Gradually, you'll notice how light and energized you feel on these days, and that feeling might inspire you to add more plant-based meals throughout the week. Replace snacks. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, try snacking on fruits, a handful of nuts, or even some veggies and hummus. These natural foods satisfy cravings without giving you the sugar crash that processed snacks cause. What does a day of plant-based eating look like? Now you might be wondering, what does eating like this actually look like in real life? Here's an example of what a whole plant-based day could look like. And trust me, it's delicious. Breakfast. A smoothie with banana, spinach, frozen berries, and almond milk. You can even add a spoonful of peanut butter for extra flavor and protein. Lunch. A hearty quinoa salad loaded with colorful vegetables like cucumber, bell peppers, tomatoes, and chickpeas, topped with a lemon tahini dressing. Snack. Fresh fruit like an apple or an orange, or even some mixed nuts if you need something more filling. Dinner. A warm, comforting vegetable curry with sweet potatoes, carrots, peas, and a side of brown rice. Curries are fantastic because they're flavorful, easy to make, and perfect for meal prepping. Dessert. If you're craving something sweet, try blending frozen bananas to make your own banana ice cream. You'd be surprised how creamy and satisfying it is. Benefits you can see and feel. The magic of switching to a plant-based diet isn't just about what's happening inside your body, like reducing cholesterol or improving heart health. It's also about the everyday benefits you can see and feel. A lot of people notice clearer skin, improved mood, and more consistent energy throughout the day. Remember those mid-afternoon slumps when you just feel like taking a nap? Well, those become a lot less common because you're fueling your body with nutritious, high-energy foods. Make it fun and easy. One common misconception is that eating plant-based means eating boring or flavorless meals. But the truth is, plant-based foods are full of flavor, especially when you experiment with herbs and spices. Love tacos? Try making black bean tacos with plenty of fresh salsa and avocado. Love pasta? There are tons of plant-based versions of your favorite sauces, like marinara or a creamy cashew Alfredo. If you find yourself struggling, try making it a group effort. Invite family members or friends to try new recipes with you. Cooking together can be fun, and sharing plant-based meals can be a great way to stay motivated and accountable. Breaking myths. Getting enough protein and nutrients. One thing that often worries people when they hear plant-based is the fear of not getting enough protein or missing important nutrients. But here's the truth. Plants have plenty of protein. Foods like beans, lentils, quinoa, tofu, and nuts are all great sources of plant-based protein. Even veggies like broccoli and spinach have protein. Plus, plants are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, things that most of us don't get enough of. If you eat a wide variety of whole foods, grains, legumes, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds, you'll be getting everything your body needs to thrive. For example, eating chickpeas and rice together provides all the essential amino acids your body needs, making it a complete protein. Plus, whole plant-based diets are rich in fiber, which helps with digestion, weight management, and keeping your gut healthy. Take it step by step. The most important thing to remember is that this is a journey. You don't need to be perfect or go 100% plant-based overnight. Start by adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals, reducing the amount of processed food you eat, and experimenting with plant-based dishes. Small, consistent changes over time lead to big, lasting results. Your health is the most valuable thing you have, and taking control of it can make you feel empowered, energized, and more connected with your body. The benefits of eating a whole plant-based diet are real, they're backed by science, and they're within your reach. So why not give it a try? Start small, stay curious, and before you know it, you'll be feeling the difference. To radically transform your health, it doesn't take a miracle. It takes small, mindful changes in what you eat, and a little willingness to explore new things. By embracing a whole plant-based diet, you're giving your body the very best fuel it needs to thrive. You deserve that. So grab a sweet potato, some beans, and your favorite spices. Your new journey starts in the kitchen.